How to get RingCentral number. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can order new number on RingCentral. The first thing you want to do is open up RingCentral app, or you can also open up any web browser and head over to RingCentral's website. Now log into your account, then go to users. Now follow the instructions on screen to begin adding number. For that, you want to select domestic or international, enter the number of users, select state, select the area code, select device, other phones and choose RingCentral phone app. Then click next, then click add and then next. To assign new number, go to user list, then select unassigned extensions. Click the new number. On the extension page, enter the details for the user. On the setup option, select setup by user. User will get a welcome email and it requires email confirmation to proceed to the full account setup flow. Then finally you want to click save and enable. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.